Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn up to $5 from Fmcpay by using this method I will show you in the video below. But before that, if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, my name is Kid and I create videos related to making money online just like what you are watching right now. If you love to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends who are also interested in making money online so they can learn exactly how to make money online by watching this video or any other video on my channel. And most importantly, turn on your notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop helpful content like this one. That being said, let's get right into it. So the name of this app is called Fmcpay. So once you sign up on this app, you'll be given $5 bonus, and I'm going to show you how you're going to go about it. So to sign up, you'll be seeing a section where you see your username, your email, your password, the confirmation of your password, and lastly your sponsor ID. That's the referral code, which is very compulsory. So by clicking the link in my description box, you'll be taken to this place and you fill in this column with your details. Then you move ahead to register. So once you register, you'll be taken to this place where you have to verify your email. That means you head over to your Gmail, then you input those 6-digit code on these boxes you are seeing right here. You input your 6-digit code directly from your email to this point. Then once you are done, you click on verify email. So once you are done verifying your email, you'll be taken to a section where you have to download the app either from Play Store or iOS Store. So if you are using Android, you head over to your Play Store, then you search Fmcpay. Once you search Fmcpay, you will be taken to this place. Then you click on install. If you have the app already on your phone, just click on open. So once you open the app, you're taken to this point where you are to log in with your details which you used to sign up earlier. So once you log in, you're taken to this dashboard. Then if you have verified your account, you'll be seeing your $5 on your dashboard. If you haven't verified your account, you'll be seeing 0. So to verify your account, you click on your top left where you see that profile icon. Once you click on your top left, you'll be taken to this place. So once you are already here, as you can see, I'm already verified. You get. So but for you to be verified, yours will show unverified at this top right where I put that rectangular box. So once you click on that top right, so you'll be taken to this point where you have to fill your personal information, your government issued ID, then facial recognition. Then after you've completed this, you are good to go. Your $5 will be resting directly on your dashboard, so which you can be withdrawn directly to your wallet by doing this method I'm showing you right now. Then after that, you'll get this verified section on this point, verified. So once you are verified, head over to this referral section right here. So once you click there, you'll be taken to this point, as you can see, where you copy your referral link right here. This is your referral link right here, then your referral code, which you can share with your friends. And for every friend you invite to the platform, you'll be given their native token, which is 2,500 FMC, which is equivalent to $5. Once they've verified their KYC, your $5 will be directly on your dashboard. So once you've done that, you can withdraw directly to your wallet instantly. So to see your referrals which you referred, you just click on this point, my referral. Once you click on my referral, you see those who has not verified. You get. So those who have not been verified will be showing unverified, but those who have been verified or are their verification is pending, it will be showing waiting for review. But if the person has been verified, to show that verified green color. So that's it about this referral. But if you know you can't refer, because the minimum withdrawal is $10, so once you've done your KYC, you'll get $5 on your dashboard. But for you to be able to withdraw, you either do two things. You are to refer and get $5 additional to your $5, which is $10, and withdraw to your wallet, or you deposit $10 on this platform and you have additional $15 and withdraw it all directly to your wallet. So to deposit, you just click on this point where you see deposit. So once you click on deposit, you'll be taken to this the currencies. Then you choose USDT as your payment method right here. So once you choose your USDT, so you'll be given your address which you have to deposit. So once you pick this address, you copy it. Remember, you have to deposit just 10 USDT under B20 chain, that's under BNB chain. So once you deposited this amount of USDT, it will be credited on your dashboard. So to withdraw, you click on wallet below right here. So once you click on wallet, you'll be taken to this point. Then from this point, you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you choose USDT as your payment method. And once you choose USDT as your payment method, you'll be taken to this point. Then you input your address at this point. Then you select the network right here. Then the amount of USDT which you have on your dashboard. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT, and if you deposit, you will have 15 USDT on your dashboard, so you can withdraw it. But if you refer, you have complete 10 USDT on your dashboard, and you can withdraw it directly to your wallet. Then after that, click on withdraw. So once you withdraw, you receive it instantly on your wallet. So that's it about how to withdraw. So that's all about FCMP updates. If you love to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share with your friends who are also interested in making money online. Then don't forget, if you want to get more of it like this, you can also join my WhatsApp group, which is in the description below. Then you can see more updates I drop often, and also on my YouTube channel. So that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.